Ist das nicht mein Auto?
Scram! Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Come on, we can't lose him! I'm reloading!
Oh, das ist schon so ein hohes Schiff, Mann.
Oh, careful, Tom. The road's a river. Don't worry, I got this. They got backup!
Du sprichst hier mit dem Rennfahrer, Mann. Champion. Aber das ist ein hohes Scheisse. Ist zwar hure geil, aber hohes Schiff. In der Kurve. Hure nichts. Beschleunigung, auch nicht.
We cleaned them out!
Ja, er ist voll der... Hat null Power. Geh weg. Jesus. Jesus. Versuch's ja. Oh, come on. Das ist ein hure wirklich eine verdammte Gurke. Die kann ein kaputtes Rädchen rein. Ja, das ist toll. So kann ich ja nicht fahren, Mann. Knall die ab, Mann. Jetzt willst du auf die Straße rennen. Was bist du, ein Reh?
Reloading!
Ich weiß nie... Oh, ja.
You're sleeping at the wheel!
Sorry. Komm weg, Mann! Ich weiss nie, welche Objekte ich kann reinfahren und in welche nicht. Ihr Idioten, Mann.
You ever see guys piss their
Darum habe
pants
ich ein bisschen Angst mit da
If you
so
look through the rain, you can see it
Kurven
dripping out the
schneiden
back
und
of
so.
their car.
Zum Beispiel jetzt hier der hure Pfosten. Die Uhr, könnt ihr dort reinfahren oder nicht? Also meine umfahren.
These guys are gonna regret they ever set eyes on Sarah, huh?
Hey, das Ding. Kann ich jetzt da reinfahren? Ah ja. Richtig gewesen.
Dumb son of a bitch just wrecked himself. Well, they're not walking away from that. Go on and pop him, Tom.
No. No, wait. Please. Please, I don't want to fucking die, man.
Christ, Tom. You can't feel sorry for these animals. A guy like this would plug you if you give him the chance. You gotta pull the trigger without thinking. Guess I'm out. This one's finished too. Oh, Christ, Tom. Snap out of it. You remember what those guys wanted to do to Sarah?
Yeah. Just,
Hey. Let's get out of here before the bulls show up, huh?
Sturmwolken über Chinatown. Der Heilige und der Sünder. Ja?
Simple, straight.
Simple. Simple straight.
I can't afford this life no more.
Just getting lucky. I'll give you a chance to win your money back.
You want in, boss?
We have business to discuss,
Easy
Paul.
Licht.
We're in it now, boys.
One of our associates at the coroner's office sent this over. Corpse's name is Giolotti.
You recognize him?
Sure. That's one of the punks we ran out of the neighborhood.
Now he got the bullet in the back of his head?
Yeah. We capped him.
Well, the cops ought to thank us. We did him a favor. The guy was a rapist, boss.
Yeah? Well, he was also a city councilor's son. You want to drive a politician into Morella's arms? There's no better way than killing off his family.
Christ.
It gets worse. You left another guy in the wreck?
Yeah, but he was dead when we got there.
You gonna tell me he was the president's nephew or something?
2 in the head, Paulie. If you're gonna do a job, do it right.
He made it?
Yes. He spent the week in St. Mary's, but he pulled through.
Can he point a finger at either of you?
I don't know. Maybe.
Okay. Look. We're gonna kill 2 birds with 1 blast. Galati's funeral's today at St. Michael's. Sam, you're gonna attend. Sit in the back and try to spot the lucky bastard.
How will I recognize him?
He'll be the one who just crawled away from a car wreck.
His arm is broken. Look for a sling.
Sam's gonna need a little distraction if he's gonna clean up your mess.
You sending Tommy to dip his wick?
It's a brothel?
A gentleman's club, just down the street from St. Michael's. Madon has invested a lot of money in it over the years.
So, me and Sam.
Regardless, the owner has suddenly decided to do business with Morello instead of us.
You want me to go remind him of his obligations?
Yes. Then blow the place up.
What?
Morello wants to take businesses away from us? He'll inherit craters.
Look, Tom, we can't send Paulie and Sam since all the ladies know them already. They'd never make it through the front door. But you can walk right in.
Okay.
Jetzt gehen wir ins Puff Piano.
Take care of him wherever you find him. If any of the horse see it, well, it'll be a warning. Once he's out of the way, head to his office on the top floor. Grab any documents and money you find there, and place the explosives.
Vincenzo will see that you have what you need.
And you think the blast will be big enough to give me cover?
Yeah. But be smart. Only take a shot if you know you won't get made.
Tommy, one more thing. One of the girls is passing Morello information about our operations. Before you blow the place, you'll need to take care of her too.
You want Tommy to kill a twist? Come on, Frank.
It's just bad luck this falls to Tom. But we gotta protect the family.
Her name is Michelle. She's usually working one of the upper rooms. Her photo is in the folder.
You boys clear on everything?
Yeah.
Tom.
Haben wir die nicht gesehen dort beim Rennen?
I got it, boss.
Then get it done.
All right, let's go.
It's not like them to leave a mess like this. I don't get it.
I think we made a mistake.
Ja, nicht gut, nicht gut.
You hear they're burying the Galati kid today?
Yeah. They better bury him deep.
Why?
Galati.
Guys we rub out started getting back up. That's why.
Es ist immer so urhell, wenn du da so rauskommst. Boah. Wieder zu einer Bombe holen beim Vino.
God all day.
Heard you in the market for something that goes boom.
Boom goes the dynamite. That's that.
Give those girls a squeeze from Uncle Vin, huh?
Not today, Vinny.
Not today, Vinny.
We have to talk. Get in. Don't go anyplace yet. Gotta hear me out on this. It's about the girl.
Michelle?
Right. You don't have to rub her out. Just make her disappear.
You know her?
Yeah. I've been with her a few times. She's a good egg, Tom. Just maybe not so bright. She doesn't deserve to get plugged just 'cause she likes listening to me talk.
You think she'll leave town?
When she understands what'll happen otherwise, yeah, she'll leave. Here's 100. Give it to her. And make sure she gets far away.
Okay, Sam. I'll see what I can do.
That's all I'm asking. Let's go.
Das könnte noch ein Problem werden.
Michelle. She's the one from the racetrack, right?
Eben, die haben wir
Tom,
nämlich
that was the
gesehen.
last time we were going to talk about her. Ever. I told you what I had to ask, and you listened. Gotta leave it there.
Okay.
Okay.
Keep your head in the game.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Find your mark and don't act suspicious. The manager thinks he's untouchable. He'll probably walk right up to him.
Anything else I should know?
Nah, just don't take all day. Lottie died young, so there can't be much to say about him. When the bomb goes off, I'll do my thing.
Got it.
Gut, gut, gut.
What kind of world is it that when you screw up, you get sent to a cat house? Well, I have to clean up your mess at a funeral. You see the justice in that?
I see a job I gotta do.
Such a professional. Just try to finish the job this time, huh?
Ja, 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 ja.
First
Ja,
time I've
ja,
been to
ja.
church in a
Ja, ja.
I'm gonna guess they're still singing the same songs.
Last time I went, it was. Same songs I always heard as a kid.
Yeah.
Wie ist eigentlich das da? Okay, ich
You're
kann nicht vorne.
not the religious type.
It's the funerals, Tom. That's all it ever is. All that anyone ever wants to do is point guns at the family and shoot. Game point, there were so many funerals, I just stopped going to most of them.
Derringer, 7 floors of
They're all
luxury
boring
and
as hell.
value.
That's a shame, seeing as you're always dressed for the occasion.
Great gag, Tom. Write that one down.
Thanks. I'll do that.
Hats, belts, and other accessories are the icing on the cake when it comes to fashion.
Now, weddings.
Derringer's menswear
Weddings
has
are less...
just thing to accent
I'd go to
your
one of
style.
them. You working on that?
With a visit next time
guess so.
you're downtown.
Good. Because I've given up waiting on Polly.
This is the Derringer's
Guy couldn't get
Music
abroad
Hour
to stick to him if they went
at
swimming through glue.
Yeah, he'll find someone.
Tom, if his own mother has given up hope, then you can give up hope too.
Ich würde eigentlich gerne mal irgendein Auto klauen oder so. Daheim nehmen. Aber ich weiss so. Oh.
I'll give the family your condolences.
Oh.
Good luck.
You too.
Soll jetzt mal ein Auto klauen? Ich nicht gerade vor der Bulle. Was ist jetzt, wenn ich da rein will? Da rein sehe ich nämlich etwas leuchten dort. Jetzt kann ich theoretisch jetzt rumlaufen, wie ich will. Und rumfahren. Das ist ein Flitzer. Das ist, glaube ich, der gleiche, den ich schon habe, oder? Ich gucke jetzt mal, ob ich hier irgendwo einen Wagen klauen kann. Da ist ein Pickup, Mann. Na, vorher der andere, den ich gesehen habe, der wäre geil gewesen, der Weisse. Das ist wahrscheinlich etwa der älteste Fall, ne? Schau. Kann ich den jetzt da? Das ist eine verdammte Kutsche, Mann. Ja, und Bremsen sind auch verdammt gut. Wirklich noch so eine Hupe, wo du musst so von Hand jetzt so hupen. Hey. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Geh. Das Hotel Corleone, ja?
Yourself in here, okay?
Know where I can find the manager?
I just watched the door, pal.
Hey, handsome.
Hi.
Here for a girl, drinks, or a mix of the two?
A girl. And I got some business with your manager, too.
A girl I can help you with. Come through. Find a girl you like, and you can both get better acquainted upstairs. There's no rush, so get a drink, relax, and enjoy yourself.
Das ist ein Bordell, ja? Das ist eine Riesenbude. Das ist eine Riesenbude.
Not before.
Fine.
You know the rules, Dottie.
Okay, die ist es auch nicht.
Can I help you?
I need a talk with the manager.
You with our new associates. He's in the lounge. Enter the bar. Can't miss it.
Leuchtet dort hinten noch? Gehen wir looten da, Mann.
Who's these new guys getting to running the place?
And a manager having to play nice with his new friends.
How come?
Because when your new friends turn up with Tommy guns, that's what you do.
Downtown 1702.
Hä? Michelle, Zimmer 208? Michelle 208.
He don't care. He wants you here. Is he dying? Then it don't matter. You need to come in. Leave him
Was
with
ist
the
das
lady
vorher
next
schon
door if you need
gestanden?
to.
Habe ich den jetzt
You're his
runterfetzen?
best girl, and he says he wants you here to entertain the new guys he's getting protection from. It don't matter how sick your
Wenn
kid
ich
is.
dort so
You
ein
gotta come in
Heftchen
and work.
auflesen Ich lasse noch fertig reden.
You want to go back to the rest of the girls on the corner of 6 and Maple? Then be my guest. You told me what it was like. Fur coat and flashing the car's look when there's snow at your feet and you can't feel your legs for the wind and cold. I'm doing you a favor. Your kid'll get better. But you're working on the street again, will see him worse. Leave him with your neighbor. Get here quick and pray to God he don't notice you late. I'll cover for you. But I can only do it for so long. I'll leave it to you. Bye.
Das merkst du die anderen am Telefon, oder? Ah, wieso war? Ah, ja, wir haben gefunden. Haben wir gefunden, ja. Mach die Kassen auf! Okay, 208. Ist vorher schon gestanden in Zimmer 208? Nicht, oder? Das habe ich jetzt in Erfahrung gebracht. Was ist da? Wahrscheinlich oben, ne?
Gotta get it checked out, I guess.
Ich weiß gar nicht, ob ich die muss umladen. Ich mach's aber. Wir machen es einfach, oder? Was ist denn da jetzt mit dem Moon gewesen? Ah, jetzt.
Nothing doing. You don't know shit.
Keiner gemerkt. Keiner gemerkt.
The friendship between the Corleone
Oh, shit.
Hotel and the Morello family.
Das ist er, hä?
Belong and
Also soll ich jetzt da hier und den wegfetzen? Oder muss ich jetzt... Ich weiß es nicht. Ich meine, muss ich jetzt zuerst ins Zimmer ruhen? Wir wollen es nicht verkacken hier. Da kommen wir ja easy wieder durch nachher.
Just how I like
I need to
'em.
speak to Michelle.
The only girls available are the girls you can see. Find one you like, and don't make a fuss.
Why don't you buy me a drink?
Because you're not the dame I'm after. You know Michelle?
I'm new here, baby. I don't know a thing. Buy me a drink?
Bitch!
We can just talk if you don't want
Also
to.
ich weiss ja, dass sie wahrscheinlich...
We
We
can
can pay
do
the rent.
whatever
I can
you
tell you're
want.
nervous, but I can step you through what we gotta do.
Hey, I'm looking for Michelle. Know her?
Yeah, she's the popular one. Book yourself in with a guy at reception. You gotta get in line for Michelle. Something on your mind?
Nein, wir reden jetzt einfach mit allen. Ich weiss so, wo ich muss hin, aber...
What's a handsome man like you doing in a place like this?
Looking for a girl named Michelle.
She's busy upstairs, but I'm free. Darling, I'm not here for questions.
Darling! Okay, sorry. Da ist ein Böse da. Ein Böse. Okay, dann sind wir ja jetzt wieder da, aber... Ich gehe jetzt zuerst Schuhe, wirklich. Wir gehen erstmal nach oben. Hey, die Fickmucke, Mann! Loot gefunden. Jetzt muss ich den bald das Tier töten, leider.
You know a girl named Michelle?
Never heard of her. Girls are all downstairs.
Entschuldigung.
You look like trouble, mister. You here to cause trouble? I'm watching you.
Jetzt so eigentlich auch eine scheiß Nummer an diesen Zimmern. Okay, ich muss eh noch einen Stock holen. Hm? Also eben, das Ding ist ja, ich weiss ja wo an, aber ich will halt gucken, ob da noch was rumliegt, ja? Da haben wir ja jetzt auch gerade etwas gefunden vorher, nämlich. Gut, aber ich würde es sehen, es zeigt es eigentlich immer an im Ding. Der Minimap. Chat. Die haben Spaß. Die haben Spaß.
Get out now! Sorry.
Und machen die da für Rollenspiele? Wir müssen noch eins hoch. Aber ich schaue jetzt gleich überall hin. glaube, es lohnt sich halt nicht.
You treat women like this? You treat your mother like this?
No, please!
Holy Jesus, that's fast.
So nicht, Mann!
I'm sorry, I didn't mean it!
Aber wer... Das sind 2 Frauen gewesen. The fuck? Okay, der ist weg. Aber... Ja, kann ich nicht mit ihr reden? Ich rede doch! Ja, merci vielmals für 2. Monat Abo, Mann! 2. Monat, der wichtigste Monat, ja? Ja, merci vielmals. Ich hoffe, es geht dir gut. Willkommen. Schön bist du da. Wirklich einfach beim Roleplay gestört. Okay, komm, wir gehen. Geh nach oben. 202. Ja, schau, da hätte ich nochmal einen Hinweis jetzt. Wir wissen wo, aber ja. Ich gehe jetzt nicht mehr jeden. Aber was ist das denn für ein Zeichen? Ich muss es gucken.
Hey! What are you doing? This place ain't for you. Break it!
Was soll das? Ah, da ist. Darum habe ich jetzt halt so umfetzen. Wegen einem Heftli, ja? Gangsters Monthly. Bam! Oh. Oh nein. Okay, gut. Gehen wir der Sache näher. Ist das ein Böser dort?
You, Michelle?
What's it to you?
Fella named Sam is one of your regulars.
Maybe there's a lot of guys named Sam.
You know him. Works for Don Celieri. Maybe you got him talking about our business from time to time, and maybe Don Morello offered you some money to spill what you heard.
No, Sam, trust me. I don't say nothing. He knows that.
Well, the Don's losing a lot of money because someone can't keep their mouth shut.
I was just bumping guns with some of Morello's girls. I didn't mean nothing by it. Tell him I'm sorry. Tell him I won't never open my mouth again.
I know.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You scared then? Good. Don't you ever forget how it feels to be this scared. To know you're just one twitch away from a hole in the ground. Because if you ever show your face in this town again, they're gonna find you with 2 in the head. Do you understand? Lucky for you, Sam's got a big heart. Get dressed and make tracks. This place is gonna blow soon.
Thank you.
Just don't come back and wear.